Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the software field, every developer has good theoretical knowledge but often lacks logical and problem solving skills. I created this channel to help us improve together in these areas. So let's get started. We are diving into our first program. Write a function that takes a string as input and returns the string reverse. First, we declared a function called reverse string and its take one parameter called str. Inside our function, we create a variable called reverse to keep our reverse string. Now we are going to use for loop. Imagine it like reading a word backward one letter at a time. Now we are going to use loop. Imagine it like reading a word back letter at a time. We start by saying, hey loop, here is a plan. We will begin with the last letter of our code, str length -1. We continue the loop as long as we haven't reached the first letter, I greater than or equal to 0. For each step, we will move backward to the previous letter, I minus minus. So, inside the loop, we grab each letter and add it to reversed variable. After we looped through all the letters, we've got our word flipped backward, so we returned it, return reversed. Finally, we calling our function and displaying the result. And here it is, our output. Next one, write a function that takes an array and returns a new array with only the unique elements. We started with a function called getUniqueElements, which takes an array as input. Now we create an array to store our unique elements. We use for loop to iterate through each element in the input array. If the element is not already in our unique array, we add it. Now our unique array contains only the unique elements. So we return the unique array. Now let's test our function with an array containing the same duplicates. Now call the function and print the result. The console will display an array with only the unique elements. Here it is, our output. Remember, coding is not just about finding solutions. It's about discovering various ways to approach a problem. So keep experimenting, keep coding, and most importantly, keep having fun with it. Thanks for joining me on this coding adventure today. Until next time, happy coding. I will see you in the next video.